The Traffic at Bar Points tutorial. Getting traffic with the Traffic at Bar system can take time and effort. Understanding the right way of gaining traffic will help you tremendously. In this video, Willie Desjarnet will show you a simple method to have visitors visit your site daily.
Before you get too deep into the video, I got another special gift that I would like to share with you. How would you like to have access to a software that actually gets you leads through Facebook without having to pay for ads, guys? So what you need to do to find out about this particular software, I have a link below this video. Go ahead, go in and register, and there is a 10 to 15 minute presentation that actually show you what this software does, and you could be getting leads in the next 5 minutes. Go ahead and take a look at this software. You'll be blown away. Extraordinary software. Can't find it nowhere else on the internet. I'll see you on the other side. What's up, my good friends? How's it going today? Today I want to go through a little training about the Traffic Ad Bar Points tutorial. Now, a lot of people join Traffic Ad Bar, and the first thing they want to know is, how will I be able to make money? Now, Traffic Ad Bar is just a source to get you traffic to your websites. Now, if you do have someone come in as a referral and they upgrade, you make money that way. But you have to be the type of person that convince them that the Traffic Ad Bar system does work and you can get traffic from it. But let me explain to you before we go into this training. You have to be committed to it. Any system that you use, you have to be committed to. Now, if there is a variety of systems that you're using, you have to split time with them. And if you're splitting time with them, you have to be you just have to be consistent with it. So let's just go into this training so I can walk you guys through what I suggest for you to gain traffic through the Traffic Ad Bar system. And how you do that is, once you go up that ladder, that tree, and I've talked about it in several of my videos, you get exposed more. So the best way to do that is to accumulate points. And today I'm going to go through a system that helps you accumulate points. So let's just start out right here. Let me see where we're at. Now, this is a lead capture page that I have that can help you get people to come in and join the Traffic Ad Bar system. You can get points that way. But if those people come in free of charge and they do not do anything, you will not gain any points. So what you want to do is you want to set up a system to kind of teach them the things that they can do. So I do have a system that can teach you, and you can just do the same thing that I'm doing, but you have to tell the people how to do it. This is the lead capture page. I have the share codes for it. Here's another attractive lead capture page that I have the share code for. And here is another lead capture page. I just changed the header here because I want people to see the Traffic Ad Bar system to help you generate 5 to 10 leads a day. So you're trying to get leads in your system, and you're trying to get them to upgrade in whatever opportunity that you have. So, and another thing, this is a page that comes right here that explains to you how to do that. If you are looking at this video, you're going to have to, this is joining the Traffic Ad Bar, and this is the page where you join Lead Leaps, and this is the complete training page. What we have here is, this is the training page for my 5 to 10 leads from a safe list each day. So you can do that. So you go down here and you join every last one of these safe lists. And I know people say that you won't do anything with safe lists, but I'm telling you, some of the same people that are on safe lists are the same people that are spending money on traffic. So I'm just telling you, you can get leads, but it's up to you to help you to get them to upgrade. So this is what we're going to do today. I'm going to go to my traffic ad bar system, and I'm going to run an ad through some of the systems that I have. I already know what this domain is. This domain here is to the OLSP system. So what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you how I send traffic to that page. Because let me show you what happened. When you put this in a link and someone clicks on it, I want you to look at it. Here it is. That link don't work because I done got points from it for myself. But when someone else looks at it, they're either gonna join you by email, and if they decide to not opt in, you get 15 points. So let's just say, just to be on the safe side, you run it through one system, and I'm gonna pull out my phone while we're here, and I'm just gonna calculate it. Just say you ran it through a system, and that 15 points, and for some reason you had 50 clicks. That's 50 clicks times 15. That's 750 points, guys. So when you do that I'm just going to show you this. When you start running these campaigns through all of these, and like if you join and you free, you don't get to do it every day, but you pick your days that you do that, if you do it correctly, you should be able to get, just from the safe list aspect of it, at least 2,000 points a day. If you do this correctly, you can get 2,000 points a day. And the reason why you want to do this is if you never upgrade in the traffic ad bar system, you will need a system like this to actually go up the ladder. Because, if you don't have points that's accumulating in your traffic ad bar system, you'll never get known. You have to be, I'm just telling you to be honest with you. You need to be 7 to 10 to maybe 13 up the tree to actually benefit you. So what we're going to do today, we're just going to go in here, and I'm going to run an ad. Like right here, this is the traffic ad bar ad. And what we're going to do is the lead magnet. We're going to go into the lead magnet, and I have a credit account that I'm using. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run an ad right here in front of you guys. So they're not as effective as what they used to be. But that's fine. So I know what this ad is. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and edit it. We're going to edit the link. And what we're going to do, we're just going to put it here. Let me just back it up. And we're going to put this link here. And we're going to put that link here. Okay. And then what we're going to do here is, this is the credit link. This is where they click for credit. And when they're clicking for credit, guys, you get points or you get an email. So you double the deal. So what we're going to do, we're just going to send it. We're just going to go ahead and send it. And yes, it's been sent to all these different members. Now we're going to go ahead and go in. I have another list that we have. It's called European Safe Lists. And these are lists that are a part of the traffic hoopla that tells you that you can get a pretty good deal from this. So let's go and change the links on here like we did the other one. We'll go ahead and put that one there first. And we'll just bag that up. Make sure I got everything. I'm just letting y'all see this live. I know that's, tedious to watch this, but this is what you're doing. And then once you get this in here, you can save it. Now, I don't know if I probably can't save this because I've used up all my save time. I'm just making sure I got everything. But I'm going to click save in. If they tell me no, that's fine. And then what it is, we got 17783. All right, I'm going to put that. I hope it overrides some, but they may tell me I can't save it anymore. Another thing, guys, always put your picture in there. Your picture, it speaks volume when it comes to people wanting to join you. So always do that. So let's just go ahead and hit send. And voila, that's sent on. So this is what you got to do each day. For people that are a free version, you have to go out and you have to really, really work. But let me tell you this, if you get your email list done, let me show you this. If you go ahead and get all of this done, once you get all of this done, I'm telling you, it daily, look what it says. It don't take that long. You probably can, once you get all of it done, about 30 minutes you can do this. But look what it says. You can get daily emails between 15 and 25 a day. And then you're getting people to come in your traffic ad bar system, and then you treat them to a Facebook group. Like I have a Facebook group where I'm trying to train people. It is free to create a Facebook group, and you get your members to the Facebook group, and all you have to do is follow the same teaching that I have, or you can use my teaching if you want to. It's not a problem. If you need videos from me, just let me know, or if you want them to come into my Facebook group, it is up to you. They can come in, I can teach them, you can still have the lead. It's not a problem with me. But this is what you do to get your system. If you do this every day, you're subject to get 2,000 points a day. If you're getting 2,000 points a day in 30 days, golly, look how many points you got. You know, that is a lot of points. That is 60,000 points. So guys, you can really go up the tree, but I just want to be straight with you. You have to put an effort into this. You have to put an effort. If you plan on running that main site, you making your primary business or your primary lead opportunity, and you wanted to run it up that chain, or you want to run it up that tree, you have to really, really be consistent with it. Takeoff days will not help you. Just want to share this with you so you can really, really get something out of this traffic ad bar system. Guys, take care. Be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Take care.